The government of Eswatini has confirmed that it is holding 5 individuals deported from the United States, hailing from Jamaica, Vietnam, Laos, Cuba, and Yemen, in separate detention facilities, pending repatriation to their respective home countries. According to a Reuters report, authorities in the Southern African Kingdom have stated that the individuals are being detained under close supervision while coordination continues with the United States and the International Organization for Migration, IOM, to facilitate their eventual return. The deportation flight, which landed in Eswatini earlier this week, marks a significant and controversial use of a Trump-era policy recently reinstated after a U.S. Supreme Court ruling in June. This policy permits the transfer of migrants to third-party nations, even those with no connection to the deportees, sidestepping traditional asylum claims and legal safeguards. As one observer noted, if the United States cannot get their own country to take them, how can Eswatini do? The rhetorical question underscores a growing unease about power dynamics and fairness in global immigration policy. The query's implication. The statement expresses a concern or question about how Eswatini, a smaller nation with limited resources compared to the U.S., can be expected to handle individuals whom even their own countries of origin deem undesirable. The Jamaican government has not yet issued an official statement on the Jamaican national involved in the case. Read more at jamaicalivenews.com.